The Judicial Service Commission is pouring through the hundreds of responses given by the 11 men and women who want to be the country's next Chief Justice. The outcome of the interviews is expected in the next 2 weeks ahead of the start of the interviews for the country's next Deputy Chief Justice. Ngele has been covering the interviews all week and now revisits the highs and low moments of one of Kenya's most important public exercises.
There was the good.
Thank you. In fact, I'm a carpenter, sir.
The bad.
So if we are talking about 15 years, you're 10 years short.
That's exactly, sir.
Okay.
And the ugly.
Now, you have done a terrible thing. I'm going to deal with you.
The interviews for the position of Chief Justice saw 11 candidates grilled on their professional competence and personal integrity.
Who is the governor of Tharaka Nithi? Who is the governor of Mandera? And who is the governor of West Bokot?
I don't know whether Nadif is the governor of Mandera. Tharaka Nithi, I don't know. I also don't know the other governor out there.
It started as a dream for most, like Miss Lucy Wanja, one of the 2 female candidates who applied for the position.
I am a believer in David, and I believe today I am your David. I am the person who will kill Goliath in the judiciary.
Which may explain why she forgot to submit crucial documents.
Was it a spiritual moment?
Probably you can call it that, or a passionate moment.
A passionate moment. Now,
Yes.
let's go to this passionate
Or a moment of revelation.
Then came New York-based lawyer Makao Mutua, who spoke in what Kenyans would call a weng.
I've never said that Mr. Kenyatta was not declared president.
Why do you keep referring to him as Mr. Kenyatta?
Well, because you can also refer me to as Mr. Mutua as opposed to Professor Mutua.
At times, the grilling turned into a battle of wits involving legal scholars, pitting Makao Mutua against Attorney General Githu Muigai.
In a Commonwealth common law jurisdiction, where did you obtain your academic distinction?
I would like to know what expert advised you in that fashion.
The climax of it all was a heated exchange between Judges Mohamed Wersame and Supreme Court Judge Jackton Ojwang, marking the last day of the interviews.
And in that letter, Judge, I'm saying you are giving notice to the JSC that unless you do this, this is what we will do.
Okay, do you want it to be a notice to Parliament? It is going to the right person. So the right person should just respond.
At some point, the heat was unbearable.
You're asking a question you are not clear about. Ask something different.
Judge, let me ask the question and you answer. And
Yes.
the question I'm asking again.
Ask straight, don't repeat to yourself
Yes.
all the time.
The Judicial Service Commission goes for a break to deliberate and decide who will lead the judiciary. It will then resume to embark on hiring a Deputy Chief Justice from September 26th and thereafter Judge of the Supreme Court. Michelle Ngele, KTN News.